Hi, I'm a high school teacher, which means there's a lot you think you know about me. But the truth is, there's a lot you may not know about the teaching profession. For example, most teaching jobs have better retirement benefits than private industry. And in fact, teachers in the U.S. retire at age 59 compared to age 63 for all other occupations. If you become a public school teacher, your retirement plan will most likely be a pension plan managed by your state. Work for a private company, and that plan will likely come in the form of a 401k retirement account. What's the difference, you ask? The difference is between counting on your retirement and, well, hoping for it. See, a pension is a defined benefit plan. That means your retirement benefits are known from the start and don't depend on the stock market. A 401k retirement account is considered a defined contribution plan. You may know what your employer will contribute each year, but you won't know exactly what your payout will be when you retire. That depends entirely on how much you save and how well your investments do. After retirement, teachers receive a set amount with regular cost of living raises for the remainder of their lives, no matter how long they live. With the 401k, you've got to estimate your life expectancy, which no one wants to do, and set up a payout based on that expectancy. Now, it is important to mention that every state's pension plan is different. Let's take a look at Colorado's. A teacher becomes vested just after 5 years and is eligible to retire after 35. That means if you start teaching at 22, you could be kicking the apple by 57. Even better, Colorado offers teachers 87.5% of their highest earned income every year once they retire after 35 years. That would be $87,500 if your highest annual income was $100,000. Now just imagine how much you'd have to save to match that. Oh wait, you don't have to imagine because we've done the math for you. Using the average rate of return for the stock market over the past 90 years, we calculated that a person would need to save $21,600 per year for 35 years to retire at 57 with a pension equal to a typical Colorado school teacher. I asked Matthew Blackman, a science teacher in Somerset, New Jersey, to join us and put our facts to the test. Matthew, what's it like over there in New Jersey?
After 10 years, you get vested into the pension system. So even if you leave teaching or go somewhere else or to another state, 10 years and you'll get a pension once you retire. It does give teachers a lot of flexibility with, how they want to plan out their retirement, but also security that they will, be able to retire at a reasonable age and still be able to, have some years of retired life after that's done.
I also reached out to Corey Risky, a materials engineer at an aerospace company, to hear what she thinks about our research. Now, Corey, how does all that compare to your impression of teachers and retirement?
That's completely opposite of what my impressions have been. It's quite surprising. I had no idea that teachers could be taken care of so well. Did not know that they could retire so early. That's wonderful. I had no idea.
There's a lot you may not know about the teaching profession. We at GFO are here to get the facts out. Learn more about becoming a teacher at getthefactsout.org.